Hi everyone, welcome to Educon Community Java Crash Course. So we have already discussed the history of Java and the features of Java, and now we are going to demonstrate the difference or comparison between the C++ and Java. So first of all, the point is platform independence. So C++ is basically platform dependent, and platform dependent here it means that this is particularly dependent on the hardware architecture. So like 32-bit computer and the 64-bit computer, there it will be dependent. As you know in C or C++, like in data type, for 32-bit, it will take 2 bytes memory for in data type, and for 64-bit, it will take 4 bytes of memory. But in case of Java, Java is platform independent. Java is platform independent because there is Java virtual machine, and according to the platform there are two types of platform, right? One is software platform, one is hardware platform. So basically Java is not platform dependent, means particularly not hardware dependent. That's why if you will see for integer type of data, then you will able to see that int data type will take 4 bytes of memory for both 32-bit computer or 64-bit architectured computer, right? So uh, because like Java, after compilation, like whatever code is there after the compilation means the Java C, then byte code will be generated, and that byte code is basically platform independent, and that byte code will be executed in the Java virtual machines. That Java virtual machine is platform dependent, but that bytecode means Java bytecode that is particularly platform independent. Next is mainly used for, so for system programming or functional programming, like in many logical cases in the systems, the logics are written in C++. But for application programming like web based or mobile or enterprise like that, or any desktop applications, then for that we will use mainly Java. Then design goal. The for C++, designed for systems and applications programming, it is an extension of C. But Java originally designed as an interpreter for printing systems, then extended for network computing, designed to be easy to use, right? Then go to C++ supports the go to statements, and Java doesn't support the go to statement. Next is multiple inheritance. C++ supports the multiple inheritance, like when one child will have two parents. But in case of Java, Java doesn't support the multiple inheritance via classes, but it can be achieved through the interfaces. And in that classes, that multiple inheritance is not supported because suppose for C child, it has suppose two parents, parent A, parent B, and suppose parent A has a one method and parent B has one method, and parent C is overriding such same that method. Okay, then it will be confusion, like there will be some ambiguity, like which method will be called from parent A or parent B. That problem is known as the diamond problem. Okay, so that's why it totally vanishes, like the multiple inheritance via classes, but we can achieve that through interfaces. Next is operator overloading. So C++ supports operator overloading. Java doesn't support operator overloading, and operator overloading is somewhat complex. So that's why Java totally ignored it. Then pointers. Again, C++ supports pointers, but Java doesn't allow pointer manipulation explicitly. Only internal pointer support. And because of it, Java is more secure than compiler and interpreter. C++ uses a compiler only, but Java uses both compiler to bytecodes and interpreter to execute bytecodes. Okay, so through the compile like Java C, then your code will be compiled into bytecode, and after that it will be interpreted. Then is call by value or reference. So C++ supports both call by value and call by reference, but Java only supports the call by value, no call by reference. Structures and union, C++ supports structures and union, but Java doesn't support structure or unions. Thread support, C++ doesn't have built-in thread support, relies on third-party libraries, but Java has built-in thread support. That's why in multi-threaded environment, we will use Java instead of C++, right? Then documentation comment. C++ doesn't support documentation comment, and Java supports the documentation comments. Virtual keyword. C++ supports the virtual keyword for method overriding, but Java methods are virtual by default. No virtual keyword is there. Okay. Then unsigned write shift. C++ doesn't support the unsigned write shift operator, but Java supports the unsigned write shift operator for unsigned write shift. Right? Next is inheritance tree. C++ can create multiple inheritance tree. Java always uses single inheritance tree with all classes inheriting from Java lang object. Hardware interaction. C++ is closer to hardware, offering low-level access. Java is not as closely integrated with hardware. That's why also that's another reason why Java is secure. There is no close connections between hardware and Java. Like there are multiple layers. Then object-oriented, C++ object-oriented, but also allows procedural programming, supports both paradigm. Java is fully object-oriented with everything, but except primitive data types, being an object. So, like, so with everything being an object, it is object-oriented. So all classes inherit from Java lang object. So our object class is the root class of every classes or parent class of every classes, right? So that's the comparison between C++ and Java. If any, like if you have any other point of views, then you also can comment down and also can share. So hope this comparison will be helpful for you, and do like, share, and subscribe for more motivation. Thank you.